Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Hinyotrap Youth Council demands CBI probe into the Sobhagya scheme. Mauhati MDC to fight adequate power supply for his constituency. Umtri PHC is not in a condition to serve the people, said Charles Marngar. And ambulances released by 2nd Jowai constituency. And now the news in detail. Today, Shri Wailat Miki, MLA of 2nd Jowai constituency, released 3 ambulances for the Sunjuk Wahechnong Jowai, Lat Thalabo locality and Mukla Dorbar Pulun in a small program held at Madan Daimasi, Lat Thalabo Jowai. Present at the program were Dr. W.R. Karluki, MP Lok Sabha, MDCs of JHADC, Bright Star Chermang, Ailat Bhoy and Lakhondkar, PK Boro ADC West Janta Hills, Dr. M. Suchiang, health officials, headmen of various localities of Jowai and others. The program was chaired by Shri Okto Mewat Lamin, nominated MDC of JHADC. Speaking at the program, President Sunjuk Wahechnong Jowai, Vice President the Sunjuk Wahechnong Jowai, E Nyangti, LD Lakyang and President Mukla Dorbar Pulun, Shri Hamran Shala, expressed their gratitude to the MLA who had extended his assistance to all of them at this time when the whole world is fighting against the second wave of COVID-19.
Hadok ni kesni la dang yo bai ya kucing te mai liang yong dorbat snong la thlbo hadok tu presiden yong senjuk wagi he chnang perdi yong phile ni ko support jo kon sniaw ki nga nado yen ki ni yo he ni ta na po snong mukla le de kon sniaw ki na ko support tengah kamu jo ong ai pi chan kon mo bai pi tu por kam do ong ji nga jo ong ai pi por wi ambulans nasuk sama suba wi tanggi ka to maintenance ni bhai le Kani kani kamlai go dengan air lagi go Dah lai ke dari kenyang, mesti manwi mana lai ke si go, kita yar ke download. Te untuk besok ledam yok di buru kiwa yes cat ucakri hok eka. Ten ledam yok bisi driver juga biang. Te bon sen ke ambulans ko to lai cewon te yo biga tip keleng em go lai kwe em go lai kikba em gam ter. Tedang ini bisi go de dang yo bigi incident cita seboi. Yo maris ketika ambulans sebagai light sebagai siren na jerong mana pensengnya ciwai ni dei ke cikari apa. Te ini tu insiden iwa hagi por durim ledem ji bhai pai ledem ji bhai o mente teman go cutok tengah lembar di gerensal le pentui pai ba o pentui pai ba hagani ke si ko katni hagani ko prathai ko katni hoi di wori expect free ba. Everything free lah ni. Mengunggah ni gini ambulans le. Tok om pi betul wa on family the unity betul kipit ki mengkena. Sebab kamu mentu em kamgi ya ke maintenance. Em kamgi upelut yang jing em kami. Heli.
The member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Charles Marngar, today said that he, along with his people of his Mauhati constituency, will fight to ensure adequate power supply for his constituency. Marngar said, all the activities in and around Mauhati constituency have been thrown out due to the frequent disruption of power. He said the health centers are being badly affected as they are unable to send their reports and the students are unable to attend the online classes due to the disruption of power. Marngar also said the MECL is also facing shortage of staff to man MECL stations and substations. He said that it is humanly impossible for one worker to look after 28 areas. Marngar also informed that he met the MECL Distribution Director M. Chetri, who assured him to look into the matter.
Jangka senam arah jalan pun. Ngelawan menik kendo, dang de web director jangka distribution. Barang kecing kendo batu. Ngelak submit ya ke memorandum ke jangka hagi bende bagus. Kecing duna palat. Hinong tray jangka negeri department. Kecing duna jangka hinong tray ke bu iki jengeh. Ngan pen mau yang matang sini. Bagi area siang ke jungi. Udon way lineman bala yam la klat ngadu kesnam arja sipo. Hadu mendakan ni ke departemen kampale ye. Udon tang way casual level. We happen ko bar light who south li kisno. Mudun mapi. Kumno la ban penbiang. Ya ka kam ko jago. Haba light who south li kisno. We happen ko bar. Kani ke de jing ye. Dengan kuat ban ye thu detail ye phi kini ni. Idan ko way ka substation ha salai. Haga jing sisa kat kum ke guideline si kalong ba ke substation ki di mandan armut ki staff. Rekum bolong menta dan tang way casual level. Tang way casual level kumno unko bari ki arka telegisno. Bat nang ta de ke sonidan area kepada apa sau telegisno hanging dan tang way lineman nang ta leper bat siang area adu live sau telegisno ke bolong fi mana. Bat ke basusi ke Maurong Road area dan staff adu utah. Jadi kita jeng ek kau kau. Kau kum kinong senong ki kendo lembah kenega kejeng bombiang jong. Kan kom trekam jong kenega ini si el kedua. Tikoi pada ke poin ke bang kuat ban penpau ni kalau hak bayi day bat kejeng syaot ya kan electricity ka connection. Bun ba kilong yeng ki syaot. Lasis nam kim don lai. Kumno kim siwi ke bel bisoki. Jelara kim siwi ke bel bisoki. Ke MECL kawan ban pat no ikalat bisoki. Itu connection bisoki. Yang lak kerana ke pasayang ni ba mengal ngandon pat baik.
At a time like this, when everyone is concerned about one's health, 3 PHC is not in a condition to serve the people. A member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Shri Charles Marngar, met Health Minister A.L. Heck in the presence of the Director of Health Service, Dr. Amanwar, to look into the matter and to send concern to the people to repair the 3 PHC in his constituency.
Ayo kalap bani kendu ye Health Minister jongi ba A.L. Heck. Kejing kendu jongi tolong hadir kejing lek bat visit inspection ke jonga ya ki PHC sub center ki badan hapok ke konstituensi mawati konstituensi ki kejing ki bangi kendu hapok ke konstituensi hadir ke inspection kawai kedai ke try PHC jadi ke try PHC hadir kejing ya kendu bat kinong try jongka kile thulut yang ai kejing ya berkhai bat sisa bangan laik ban pek ban jongo hamtam ke kamera ke bagi kisah staff quarter ngasem ban ngalap ba ke quarter pelajar lu ke benengkong kani ke sailing ru satang bakan hap pada slap ke lik lut bat kani ke madan kala dapum lalong pung dok ha ka ba arang ta kini ki kenro jong ke yeng kini ke jaga ba kisah kala tualut ke balai nang ta kini ki dur frame sokat jong ijing khang kila putlut nang ta dia kini kijing khangien kila pat lut nang ta ke toilet lut kila blok lut nang ta ke umru dan tang arteli gawai ke sentek gawai ke top do bilang bagi gawai sentek ibarat ban supply ke PLC bad dia ke jasa jongki nong tray jongka PLC kata ke gawai berkebaan nang ta kejing bom khut jongko kejing jabo jongko ke bagi penom kam la isne ye ki beli kinong tray ki jongi bad ye ke neru apan so Minister badan buram ke jongi kebobot nang ta pade ke di drainage system jong hospital la care sodong dong hospital ba hadien baslap ke dap sadien jong hospital kene ru ke gawai ki jing ya bat gawai nang taru ngalai kran ha ke jing duna jong JNM hagisnem gi bom suangi don laingon por bom don covid bat mentah ke por covid don tang arwa dengan lapan soi ke niru HI ba elhek ba ngasuk kemen ba mendang sengi idon lang i DHS jongi Dr. Amanwar lai kenu lang patiru teka bobot nang ta kedai ka kabangidon kam kedai immediate renovation kajing repair lane kajing renovate kirki ya ka sub center leper ke babam try PSC.
The Jaintia Students' Union of War Jaintia Circle today demanded the state government for construction of a road that connects Muktapur, Amlaram, Dauki and Nadrambai as they are so beyond repair. Releasing HYC video to the media, the president of JSU War Jaintia Circle, Eddie Kerry Potam, said, "These border roads have been totally neglected even though they are backbones of the farmers." He said, "These roads, besides facilitating tourists, are also of strategic position from a defense viewpoint."
Kamay. Ako man pa bagi Shillong kibadan hagani kathain. Kum ka Shillong Mutapur Shillong Sendai Shillong Lumpangat Saduar Hawai Bhoi Hawai Setengah Wat Ru Pedang Cakap Amri Bat Kilakro Bat Bon Kisnong Hado Am Sku Sudo Stai Dauki Dei Ba Penkam ya kene ka surok Ha Kaba Yadai Bat ka Trei ka kata Juki Hakaba Kidai Puli Puthi Juki Hakaba Ki Late on School Late yo Dagani ka surok Sagawai ka pang Kadai Kani ka surok Kadai Kawai ka lat Kalenti Ya kam kahi Nagawai ka jala Sagawai ka jala Lani nagawai ka ri Sagawai ka ri Hakaba ka surok Kaba pila Bentip na dot na rat ambay Sado sa te sa dauki Kaba yat lingba Kasnong rembay Sado sa bataw Bat sado sa borkat Hado sa muktapur Terter Wanpoy sado sa dauki Kadai ka bala Wan penyesok ya kam kahi kapot Umar mata Wat kumu doyong Bawan natin na izjaintia Nani kiwai pat kimar gila Banyat lembang ni lenti Lada ka sarkar Kadan ka jingpet jingay Ya kani ka surang Kala adai ban sim kia Ban pinbahal ni pinhe ya ka bat Kamdai hiru ban long kamni Namar kala adai rupa ru Kawai na kaba Naduk sarkar brem kadai ka major district road Haga Baydai pat bat kakam junga kai perthai Kani ka surok Kadai ka ba Lam nanti Saki Shillong gibang Ito nadok por mensua Kaba kadan kata gajingte nam barem Hapok ka jong hima Siem jong hapok ka jing sinsar jong siem hima jaintia Kum ka nan ka pung sum Kapung sum ni ka sumpulu Siem jaintia ka bay kat ka ancient bat Sakaway kabadan hasendai Bat sakaway pat kabadan ni ha Borkat kata ka yeng kenya jong siem Bat sakaway ru Kani ka kali mandir kabadan ni ha muktapur Kum ya kini ki jingtay nam bakang sanru ka sarkar Kala wanra ya kata ka kam junga ka perthai Tang na kini ru Bat sakiway
The Hnyotrap Youth Council today demanded Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong for a CBI probe into the alleged misuse of power distribution Sobhagya scheme to the tune of 149 crore rupee. The HYC said the Meghalaya Power Minister James P.K. Sangma should be removed from the present post when the investigation is going. Speaking to the media, the HYC General Secretary Roy Kupar Sindram said the government should also remove the incumbent Director of Finance Arun Kembhavi to facilitate independent inquiry.
Kaliang jong ka seng mentasni ka nyotrik bra Julai aja kuai ila pha ya ka daka jingtho sha office jong Chief Minister bukum juru sha Deputy Chief Minister jong ka jala ka jongi Daka ba ay copy ru siya Cabinet Secretary jong ka Ministry of Power Government of India banbu ya ki jingdawa mat jong sarkar Meghalaya bukum juru bantentib siya sarkar India halor ki kenram nani ki jingbam sab ki belami lomba jing pentrikam ya ka Sobhagya scheme hakni ka jala ka jongi kumangitip ya ka Sobhagya scheme la pentrikam kumbala pediang na sarkar jala na du usnam aja khatra na ka bentaban penyo ya kalai sya kinong song jong kajala hi bro kawe ngilai I nadu pabasdang bakani kajing pentrikam ya ka Sobhagya scheme hani kajala ka jongi kala long ka kunrum kenram kila don kijing keno bamsab kila don kijing keno ba pendon kam bakla ya ka bor ka bala ai laila ya ki company ban yo nong khambun na kani kajing pentrikam ya ka scheme bat kawe ka bala kampen smokta yangi kum kaseng galong ba menin kasngi Keladon ke jing di kubur, kue ni kikot kubur jongka jela. Kabala pen I ba kadon ke jimbam sab kabahadu sispa khendak sau khendai kuror tingka. Nakani ke Sobhagya scheme kau pentrikam ni ke jela ka jongi. hak bakani ka khubor ka bala tho ya kani khubor kila base lani kila penchong nongrim nakata ka preliminary audit report jong CAG kat kum kani ka khubor la pentip ba gajing ai contract lani gajing ai ka work order syakini company ki penteri kami ka sebagai scheme ka jela ka jongi kalau palat ya ka dor ya ka ba ka MECL lani ka company kepada penteri ka ni scheme ka jela kajing syak estimated rate kalong dakumwe rehapor bagi tab ya kontrak dikini ki company ki ba penteri ni kam ki ong bala kod ya ka dor ka ba palat haduk 100% tam ya ka estimated rate ya ka bala shna nak benta ba penteri ni scheme ba kani ka jingle kala penlong pat ya ka state lani ka jela ban ka kan hab ban siu lani kan du nong haduk shispa sa khandai krur tingkat ti kani ka kubor ka balami kala penlong perkhat yang ni ba lesi kadon kajing bamsap kadon kajing pendon kambakla kan kala along ru kajing pen kajing duknong ya kajelah ibro kowe ka ba da spak krur tengka la super set ka ban penteri kami ka skim teknang ban lap ya kajing sisa hoi ngimla ban len ban kalian jo sarkar kumbang UI ba kala kotrik jong menai Jun kila penbana ba kila de ban set up ya kata ke independent inquiry committee ya ka bon kli da retired judge napo Allahabad High Court ban wat ya ki daw la de ban inquire ya ki jinglong jingman apo ke MECL hukum jur ki subsidiaries ke jongka rehadin ba mi kini khubor menin ngikwa ban bu ya ke jingdawa khmat jong sarkar ba nakabenta ka jing bamsap la ne gading ka jing kenok bamsap ha baile sobagia scheme ka sarkar kam de ban kentup lang hakata ka terms of reference nak benta ka ning inquiry committee riya ka kam ka bade sobagia scheme dei ban le la ne ban toket da kiwei pat kibor tenakalian jo paseng hakani ga dorkhas ya ka bangi labu hakmat jong sarkar menta sngi ka jing dawa ka benengkong ka bangi labu kalong ba dei ban ka sarkar ka de initiate la ne ban pha ban investigate ya kani jing kenok bamsam na ka benta sobagia lengba ka CBI inquiry ngim.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.